SiMX TextConverter 4 is the best tool on the market for extracting loosely structured data from PDF, HTML, Word, or Excel documents, as well as diverse text files. Extracting hierarchical data from invoices, purchase orders, certificates of analysis, test certificates, bills of lading, airway bills, financial, operational, and executive reports can be implemented in minutes by a business professional. No IT skills are required. The tool is widely accepted in such industries as healthcare, banking, manufacturing, automotive services, and many others. This presentation will highlight the top-level TextConverter 4 features, which make the tool stand out among the bevy of other data extraction and transformation tools. All features will be discussed in detail in the following tutorials. Single and multi-line parsing templates. Let's begin with a simple case of a single-line input record. I select one of the lines representing the record layout and create a template from it. Several similar lines are automatically selected. I'll modify the width of this field, and now the template covers all the input lines we want to extract data from. The default field separator is a sequence of 2 or more spaces. The separator can be set to anything using the regular expression syntax. These two values have just one space in between. Let's split them. Please note that the field on the left was automatically recognized as a date. Now we will filter out the subtotal records which we do not need in the output. We just indicate that the date field should not be empty and the extra lines are gone. As you can see, the input and output fields were created automatically. Now we can direct the output to any database system or a flat file. We can set up a multi-line template just as easily. The visual feedback and the end-to-end synchronization immediately show which data can be extracted and allows the user to quickly find any problems. Hierarchical, flat, and detailed templates. Frequently, your input files will contain multi-level hierarchical data. In this sample, each student record has 2 corresponding parents' records. Let's set up a detailed template for a parent record first. Now we are adding a top-level template and setting up a student's record. You see how students' information gets populated for each parent's record. Top-level templates can play 2 roles, flat or hierarchical. In the flat mode, all fields of each detailed record will be populated with the closest qualified value from each non-detail level. In the hierarchical mode, sophisticated algorithms are used to capture data from the selected levels above and below the detailed data to populate the fields based upon the level's positions relative to the detailed data. Positional and tag-based fields. Let's process a very typical document type, an invoice. Usually invoices have line items data, detailed level, and invoice properties, top level. First, we define the detailed template. We will allow the first field to occupy several lines by setting the multi-line property. These are positional fields. Now we will add a top-level template with tag-based fields. Tag-based extraction utilizes specific labels within the input file to capture data at a certain proximity relative to the label. The field's positioning can be controlled by various attributes. There are several other methods to control field positioning. Attached to headers mode is used when columns of data float horizontally from page to page. Delimited mode is used when you cannot rely on a field's positions, but the number of fields per line is fixed. Regular expressions can be used to set up delimiters. Manually defined mode is used when horizontal field positions and the number of fields per line can vary. In this mode, the positioning and extraction is controlled through regular expressions defining each field. Input and output filters, composite input fields, calculated fields, and script. Input filters are supported on 3 levels. All filters can be set up using lookup tables or regular expression. The top-level filter excludes lines from the input data on the file level. The excluded lines are not even shown in the input preview. You would use this filter to exclude garbage lines interfering with setup of the templates. The template and field level filters exclude unneeded data from the input lines being accepted by a template. Template filters do this on the line level, and field filters do this on the field level. The output filters can limit the number of records going to the output table, specifying the include-exclude criteria. The composite input feature allows automatic data extraction from compound input fields like address or full name. Calculated fields provide a powerful yet easy way to customize the output data using VB script and extended target library function. The full-scale scripting is also available for complex cases when data extraction is not solely defined by the document structure or sophisticated calculations are needed to prepare the output data. This was the introduction to the new TextConverter 4 functionality. Please view the detailed tutorials to learn more about each feature in particular.